In 2014, Ken Shorgen wrote a book called The Israel Deception. Now, I've talked about this book. I've interviewed Ken. I put up some of his other interviews on this channel in previous videos. But the book has resurfaced again for this reason. Now, bear in mind, the book was written 10 years ago. But God showed him to put on the cover of the book a map of Israel with Mount Hermon, and to place over the mount, the picture of Mount Hermon, to place over it the Hebraic letters of the Dalet, the original in the pre-exilic Hebrew, how the Dalet was. And Dalet is Hebrew for the door. It is the gateway. It is the opening. It is the portal. Now, why does that matter? Mount Hermon, according to the book of Enoch, was the abode of the Watchers and the Nephilim. It's really a portal. It's like another dimension. And they would pass through, the Watchers would pass through this portal and come down and mate with the daughters of earth. And this part is recorded in Genesis at the time of Noah. Now, why is this significant? Well, because Yeshua said, as it was in the days of Noah, so will it be in the coming of the Son of Man. So it's one of the prophetic signs, really one of the primary prophetic signs we should be watching for the return of our Messiah. A few days ago, Israel, as I say, launched an IDF into Syria. It was right after the fall of Assad. And they went to Mount Hermon and got control. Now, why would they do that? They did not go in and try to get control of the entire country of Syria, but just the mountain. All right. About this time, coincidentally, there is this aerial phenomenon that has been occurring over the state of New Jersey. You've probably heard about it on the news. People are witnessing every night as it gets dark, and through the darkness of the night, there manifests many, many, many hundreds of drones, sometimes up to 50 at one sighting. And they're huge. Some of the reports say they're as large as an SUV. Another one says it's as large as a very long dining room table. These are not your little backyard drones. They're not even the Amazon drones. This is something much different. And yet all of the investigations, the Senate hearings, they've called in, all of the different cabinet members that are involved with this kind of thing. No one knows what this is. Nobody knows what it is. The governor of New Jersey does not know what this is. There is a community. It's at a higher elevation, but it's a community in New Jersey, I kid you not, called Mount Hermon. And the longitudinal line go north to west and over Mount Hermon, New Jersey, and it's north to east over Mount Hermon in Syria. Now, is there a connection? I don't know. But until we get better information, I'm going to have to assume that these UAPs, or these extraterrestrial beings flying over New Jersey, could very well be coming through the portal of Mount Hermon. To be continued.